Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel, and today we're going to be doing a cream cheese topping. Please subscribe and please share, and don't forget guys, your recipe is below the video in the description. Anyway, we'll get right on with the video. And for the recipe, you want 2 to 5 grams of icing sugar, 50 grams of butter, and 50 grams of soft cheese, and a tablespoonful of lemon juice. Guys, now you're going to put your butter and your cheese into the bowl. Now sieve your icing sugar into the bowl. And this is just to remove any bits you've got in the icing sugar. Then you add in your lemon juice. And then we'll pop it onto the machine. Start this on first speed, so you don't get icing sugar all over your kitchen. Gently speed her up once it's cleared. Now knock this onto third speed. Right, now we're going to stop it and scrape it down. And this is to get off all the bits and pieces of fat which could be lying on the surface of your bowl. Right, now we can put our machine back on. Once again, start off on slow speed, and this time you can knock it up to 6 speed. And as you can see, it starts getting nice and light. Right then guys, it's ready, and now we'll get it off the machine. Don't waste any of this. It's really nice cream. So get everything off your beater. And then what we're going to do then, just give it another scrape down in the bowl. And then we're going to pop this into a plastic container. And it's as simple as that, guys. And now you can pop it into a fridge and you're ready to do your cake. You can use this cream for a filling or a topping. Wow guys, that was absolutely lush, that cream. Now, I bet you can't guess what is coming next. Yes, please subscribe and please share. And do check out the description for your recipe and keep your eyes open. The next video might well be, can you guess what it is yet? Using carrots? Yep. It might even be a carrot cake recipe. Anyway, we'll see you again very shortly. Laters!